So in addition to E. coli, some other organisms, they can also be used as an alternate host for foreign DNA. So what type of microbes can be used? तो इसमें जो है वो मुख्तलिफ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं माइक्रोब्स की दैट मेनली बिलोंग टू ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया like some members of Bacillus genus, Bacillus subtilis, and even Actinomycetes that are mainly filamentous bacteria. Especially Bacillus subtilis जो है ये ज़्यादा प्रेफरेबल चॉइस है. इसकी रीज़न क्या है कि ये जो सेल है इट इज़ नेचुरल कॉम्पिटेंट. इट कैन नेचुरली टेक द फॉरेन डीएनए इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस. तो इसकी जेनेटिक्स भी जो है वो वेल स्टडीड है. So because of this reason, it is an attractive choice for transformation experiments. In addition to Bacillus subtilis, one can also transform other cells that belongs to plant or even animals. And even protoplasts of bacteria and plant cells, they can also be transformed. What are the protoplasts? अगर हम प्लांट सेल से या बैक्टीरियल सेल से सेल वॉल को किसी तरीके से रिमूव कर दें तो जो रिमेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास आता है दैट इज़ विदाउट सेल वॉल, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्रोटोप्लास्ट. और इस तरह से जो एनिमल सेल्स हैं बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव सेल वॉल सो मोस्टली इट इज़ मोर कॉम्पिटेंट टू अपटेक द फॉरेन डीएनए. Now, there may be different other methods that can be used to transform protoplasts or animal cells or plant cells. And one of the direct method it is to use gene gun, so that artificially by using some instrument like the gene gun, one can introduce foreign DNA into the target cell. Whereas in case where the protoplasts are there, they can be transformed by the process which is called as lipofaction. What is lipofaction? Lipofaction, it is the technique where we use liposomes to transform protoplasts. Now, ये liposomes होते क्या हैं? Liposomes, they are the vesicles that is made up of phospholipids. And they are positively charged. क्यों ये positively charged हैं? The reason is that they are mainly made from cationic lipids. And they have the ability to enclose or encapsulate negatively charged DNA. After encapsulation, these liposomes, they have the ability to fuse with the cytoplasmic membrane, and then it can deliver DNA from the vesicle to the target cell. So, lipofaction, it is also used to transform different type of host cells.